To replace the license plate light bulb on a 2010 Rav4, it is very easy, and this is the light bulb that I'm going to use. So what you have to do is to insert a flat screwdriver into the hole that you see right over here. Make sure you press down to the right and the light bulb is going to come down. And now you will be able to remove the light bulb and replace it with a new one. So now to remove the light bulb, what you have to do is to twist to the left the socket that holds the light bulb. Just to the left, like this. And then you pull it out. Using gloves is very important to prevent any damage to the light bulb. And all you have to do is to insert the light bulb just like that. You don't have to twist it or anything else. And then put it back into the case. And this time you're going to twist the socket to the right, away from you. And you're going to hear a click. So that means that it's in the right place. And that's it. We have finished this installation. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching. Until the next time. Bye bye.